I'm about to say. Starting August 2023, email marketing will go through a paradigm shift, and your old autoresponders won't work effectively without this AI tech. That's because all email marketing autoresponders will have to integrate AI-based videos inside them to get higher clicks, opens, and conversions. Now we know that this has literally got you goosebumps, and you're wondering how I can get out of this mess forever. Take a sigh of relief, as we've got your back. So how would you like to have access to the ultimate Bard AI-based video marketing autoresponder with built-in free SMTP to automatically add attention-grabbing videos in your emails and boost opens, clicks, and conversions? Now you too can be the first to benefit from the latest AI email marketing trend and turn any existing email autoresponder to full AI video email responder. Connect your own SMTP as well to get higher conversions. Send 1 million+ emails each month with inbuilt SMTP to your subscribers. Create 1 million+ video email campaigns like a pro. Boost your click-through rates and opens instantly. Capture your customers' attention in less time. Maximize reach and engagement across the globe. All this and more for a one-time low fee. Welcome to MailBard AI. First and only PowerBard AI-based video marketing autoresponder with inbuilt SMTP to boost opens, clicks, and conversions for a low one-time price. And as the name itself suggests, it combines the power of AI email marketing and AI video marketing to skyrocket profits from one easy-to-use dashboard. And you pay only and enjoy lifetime access to this advanced video-based email marketing suite. Here's a quick demo video to see how fast and easy using MailBard AI is. I know this has got you lured from tip to toe. With MailBard AI by your side, you can say goodbye to learning the basics of AI and do it yourself. Hiring independent professionals to help you quick start, purchasing expensive third-party autoresponders and pay recurring monthly, investing huge in video hosting and rendering costs. MailBard AI works smartly for everyone, including affiliate marketers, digital product sellers, video marketers, coaches and trainers, e-com store owners, small business owners. So what are you waiting for? MailBard AI is available for just a one-time price without any limitations, but just for this special charter launch of 7 days. And after this introductory phase, it's going to get back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you can use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. Go for this one-time investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now the clock is ticking here, so click on the button below and get instant access for this one-time low price before it turns to monthly recurring. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.